I'm not just traveling, I'm time traveling. From the echo of ancient prayers beneath Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel, to sunlit courtyards where history whispers through every stone, from priceless masterpieces to the smallest country on earth with the biggest spiritual heart. This is more than a destination. It's a doorway to centuries of art, faith, and mystery. Welcome to Vatican City. If you love seeing the world from above, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. New perspectives, new cities, a new flight every time.